Kia ora te whānau no mai hoki mai. So what is ERC404? Let's make it simple. You know what an NFT is, right? Non-fungible token, meaning it can't be exchanged for another one because each one is different. You know those NFTs you hear about that are worth millions, like CryptoPunks, those little pixel looking images that really serve no purpose apart from status? Or those ape NFTs called Bored Ape Yacht Club? For example, this one, it has an offer for $50,000 on it, but here's what's incredible. It last sold for 1,024 Ethereum. That's valued at over $2 million today. So every NFT has its own unique ID. For example, this collection of apes NFTs, this one has this ID, and this one has this ID. So every NFT is unique, and so it's non-fungible. The problem with NFTs is if you buy one and then decide you want to sell it in an NFT marketplace, if there is no demand for that collection of NFTs, then you could be stuck with it forever. Many NFT projects just go nowhere, and you are stuck with all those NFTs you just can't sell. Well, here comes the new ERC404 to the rescue. When you buy an ERC404 cryptocurrency token, you also get an NFT. So now you have that cryptocurrency and the NFT to go with it. So why does this matter? Well, remember I said your NFT might never sell in the NFT marketplace, right? There has to be someone that wants to buy it, otherwise it won't sell. But crypto tokens are different. You can sell them on an exchange or swap them on a DEX, a decentralized exchange. No problem, right? So when you buy a token from a project that uses ERC404, you not only get the token, but you also mint an NFT. Mint is just a fancy way to say you get one. So why is this a big deal? Well, it means you can sell your token or swap it any time because it trades from a liquidity pool just like regular crypto token. This means you can also sell your NFT just by selling your token or trading it. Wicked cool, eh? So that's the basics. Now here are some things to consider. You need one token to get an NFT, meaning if you have 0.9 of that token, then you won't get that until you purchase the other 0.1 to have one full token. Now here's another thing. If you send that token from one wallet to another, it actually burns that NFT and mints you another one. So you have to be careful because if you had a rare NFT, you might lose it and mint a shitty common NFT. If you transfer the NFT, not the token, to another wallet, you'll still keep that same NFT. So if you have a wicked rare or a legend NFT, you might want to transfer it to a safe wallet so you don't accidentally sell or swap it or send that token to another wallet and burn it for another NFT. Now I can see this new ERC404 standard creating some amazing projects and new innovations because at the end of the day, those NFTs are now fractionalized. If you own 0.5 of a token, then you own 0.5 of that NFT. You could have an NFT that's worth $1 million and there could be thousands of users that own a piece of it. And that could be used for some wicked community ideas. If you want to learn more and see how to get some of those NFTs and tokens on different blockchains, join our free community right here. Links in the description and as a pinned comment. Have an amazing day. Keep safe. Kia kaha. Stay strong.